As you
So we're
see,
back in the ASMR.
we have an extra member, my
Yeah.
cousin Malu. Say hi. Hi. She speaks French, so she will speak French sometimes. But today, we're gonna have an ASMR. Hold on, guys. Also, if I'm not eating, that means I'm on my cousin's screen too because she's sitting right next to me. So I'm gonna help my cousin to eat and order because she's like meal. Okay, follow my steps, girl.
I'm just eating a burrata taco.
I'm showing her how to order. You press any food you want. Okay, so I'm showing her what to order.
Please
Well,
don't eat
no.
my food. Please don't eat my food.
And then wait, and then
Ooh, I want some
you
dumplings.
press it.
Oh, there's
One
mussels.
down.
I never saw the mussels. Should we eat the mussels? The spicy mussels, honey mussels.
Ooh, girl, you never saw that? I tried that.
I never saw it. Okay, I
She's
got some
ordering. I'm
mussels.
helping my cousin order me.
I'm
And
gonna
then
clean
you
the
want
table
something?
again. Can I clean the table?
Girl, why? Okay, yeah, she hadn't even placed her food yet. Anything here? Okay.
I need to drink my apple juice.
Dessert. Hold on, I'm helping her order dessert. Okay, that's it. Place order. Okay, she ordered lots of food. I'm not gonna lie. If you want to order, place it down and place this.
I'm
Okay.
drinking
I'm
some more.
showing her how to place. I'm showing my cousin how to place her food, guys. Okay. I order all my food. Girl, she ordered a mozzarella stick. Girl,
Nice.
why you think? Girl, you dropped my soda on my water.
I needed to clean the table.
And that was my cousin's drink too.
Oh,
It's not letting me sit down. Hold on. Guys, it's not letting me sit down. Oh, now it is. Wait, if you want to do that.
I want some mussels. The mussels are not working. Oh my goodness. I wanted some
Hold
spicy
on, I'm on
mussels.
my cousin's iPad. Okay. So, I will be helping my cousin, guys.
Some mozzarella.
Alright. I placed the chicken
Look at
right in
this
front of her.
stretch.
Girl.
Ooh, look at
Shut.
this stretch.
Wait, let's at least try to help my cousin. Do you speak a little French?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try to help my cousin. Alright.
Please.
Ooh. Yeah, I think it's over there. And then also, I'm gonna show her your YouTube account so
Toi,
she can watch our other videos.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Girl, it's not letting
I'm
me
saying
sit down
numbers.
again.
I'm so happy.
Oh, my cousin got it. My cousin got it.
Look at this stretch.
Sorry, we're just moving around because we can't sit down. It's not letting me sit, bro.
Okay, she said.
How come it's not letting me sit? Help, it's not letting me sit, guys. Finally.
Okay, let's eat.
Girl,
Okay,
look at her looking.
we look
She's just
crazy.
ugly.
I'm giving them a close
I
up on my bald head. I'm giving them a close up on my bald head.
girl. Oh, hold on. I'm on my cousin's iPad right now. I'm on my cousin's iPad. I'm helping her place her drink. If you want to eat, you and then dip it in there and then after
This
that.
is so
Yeah,
good.
see, my cousin got the spirit. You
Some
guys saw
cheese.
that? This is like her first time downloading Roblox, so we're gonna help my cousin. She's gonna
Yeah.
also join our videos, right, Molly?
Yeah, of
Well,
course. Wait, she
I've been
needs to
thinking about
make
Berry
alphas for
Avenue.
Berry Avenue. Let's teach her how to make
Oh yeah.
alphas in there too.
Okay, wait. But we can also play obbies with her. After this, we can play an obby with her.
Yeah, and
Wait, can you also add her?
add
Hold
her.
on.
Yeah,
Hold on. Oh wait. Okay. She added you. Wait, are you in my server?
yeah. We're on your server. I'm on yours.
Girl, you joined my server.
Yeah. Did it work? It's not working.
Yeah, it's
I
not.
pressed it. It's not working. Can you?
Wait. Hold on.
I think my screen is frozen. Oh, okay. It works. It's not letting me press it. But
Uh,
did you eat my
okay.
chicken? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Girl, my
Okay.
chicken. Okay.
Sorry. Wait, let me see. Okay, we're all friends. Good.
Yeah.
So she has access to join you and join me too.
Yeah.
And like your private server.
Yeah.
But
I
girl,
want to.
sometimes when she's like not awake or when she's not playing Roblox, we can do very admin. And then when she is, we can play this game and play other fun games with her, okay?
Yeah. Wait, should we teach her how to make Berry Avenue outfits too?
Yeah. And then teach her how to do stuff in very admin like it easier.
Yeah. And we should
Oh my
travel with
gosh, so
her.
crunchy.
Should we go
Yeah.
to like
Well,
like
wait, but not those stuff yet. We need to show her the basics. I'm
yeah,
gonna also show her some videos on my iPad to follow. And like good
yeah,
videos.
and how to
For her
like
language is set. I'm gonna clean up the table.
okay. Now I can finally put my muscles.
Finally put on my fried chicken, my spicy chicken.
My other muscles.
Hold on,
Okay.
wait, girl, don't put too much food because she also needs to play some of her food.
Look at this one, she's
Don't
so
put,
big.
girl, don't place that much. All right, guys.
It's so good.
I never tried that apple corn dog yet.
There's an
Like
apple corn
crumble.
dog. Oh, I tried that.
Yeah, I never tried it, but
It's
I
really
ordered
good.
it. I never. I tried the normal one. Yes, we.
Me too. I tried the normal one,
Hold
but I
on, my
never tried
cousin.
the apple one. Only in the game.
Wait. Hold on, my cousin's gonna try the noodles. My cousin's gonna try the noodles, guys. I'm helping her place it down. Bro, why is it not working?
What's this?
It's
Oh,
not letting me place her food down on her
I think there's like
iPad.
too much like.
Okay, okay, guys, my cousin just placed her noodles over there at the edge. She's gonna eat it. Okay, eat it. You're gonna press it. I'm teaching her how to eat it. Okay. So she's eating her noodles. Girl, get ready, and then you press it.
Ooh,
She's eating
nice.
her noodles, y'all.
And yum, noodle, noodle, yum, yum,
Wow.
yum, yum.
I'm so proud of her, guys. I actually feel like my mom now. I'm so proud of her. I'm
Girl,
so proud of
so,
her. We're gonna teach my cousin turning into us. We're teaching our cousin to turn into us, guys.
yeah,
We're teaching my cousin. So she's gonna be like us when we're making videos now.
yeah.
Don't mind me eating Jamali's oysters.
My oysters.
Hey, I was gonna get the last one. Whatever. At least I can use your sauce.
Girl, I can
Oh,
get
she has the
some.
spicy. Oh, my cousin is trying spicy noodles.
Mm,
And then in our next one, we're just gonna do
yeah.
spicy food. Wait,
Oh
let's order
yeah, we're
spicy
gonna do a
food.
challenge of spicy food. No, my chicken.
Don't worry, she did that. Order spicy. Only
Spicy time.
spicy.
Flaming
The
hot.
spicy with sardines and sausages.
We can only do
And
spicy
salmon.
foods, guys.
Spicy, guys.
Yeah.
Spicy now. These are not spicy because I had those before, but I didn't get to place them down.
So,
Look at
you
this
get
pile.
better. What do you do?
I'm
You
gonna order
know
some
me.
lobsters. I'm gonna order some lobsters.
You don't get better.
Okay. Hold on, I'm
You
hoping my
know
cousin can see
me. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, my cousin is not gonna order spicy food. She's gonna order normal food and a little spicy, okay? But we're
Oh,
gonna have the spicy food. It's
Alexia,
fine.
look at
We have
my
enough
spicy
spicy.
food.
I have two spicy lobsters. Look how
Oh,
big
there's no
these
space to
are.
put all my food.
Sorry.
My
Okay, hold on.
spicy mussels.
Hold on, my 5-year-old cousin is here. Hold on. Say hi to Esther. Say bonjour
Oh,
instead, actually.
bonjour.
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 I have three cousins here. That's the friends I did last time when you were on the phone. I was like, Hello, bonjour, salut, Carl.
Food. Mm.
Sorry, mom. Sorry. That was my cousin, I think. I think she was cleaning up the table so she has space. But if she does that, don't worry, okay? She's new to the game. Eh.
Hungry. I want to eat. Every time I place something down, it disappears. My food.
Look at this old spicy food, guys. Ooh, okay, okay, okay,
I'm gonna
okay.
eat
Let's
some
go fast.
tacos.
Oh my gosh. So much shit. Eh.
Tacos.
Look at this claw, guys. It's so big and juicy.
Juicy. Oh my gosh, Alexia.
My cousin saw me eating a big claw. She saw me eating a big one, and she was so surprised.
Mm.
Mom, eating lobster, spicy ones. I'm eating lobsters and crabs. Ooh, I'm gonna eat your spicy noodles.
Oh, Alexia, those are my spicy noodles.
Oh, wait, no, she put her spicy noodles down right next to my hot spicy chicken wings.
Oh,
Hopefully she doesn't notice.
uh-huh.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. She only cleaned it up because she needed space, y'all. I'll tell her when to clean up the table.
What?
I'll tell her when to clean up the table when it's necessary. I'm gonna order more.
I'm gonna eat all your guys' food because I didn't get to eat my food.
Girl, this
Listen,
is my server, right?
yeah.
Okay. This girl joined my server without my permission, y'all. Like, how dare she? And then we're not gonna order drinks. We're gonna try to survive.
Well, dang.
Hold on, I'm gonna help her sit down. Hold on. She's gonna
Well,
sit down.
I'm gonna eat those
She tried to
claws.
sit down. I'm gonna let my cousin try to sit down by herself. If she does, I'm gonna clap for her. You can also jump. Also jump too. Don't mind her, guys. She's trying
It's
to
not
sit
working.
down.
It's not
Eh!
working.
Not working what?
Wait, let's see. Look. Every time I stand up, it's so hard.
It's not working. I don't know why this always happens. Bro, it's not working.
Wait, after this, should we play another game and make another video?
Yeah, with her. Like
Yeah,
an obby.
yeah.
Like those stress obbies. And then we can try to help her. She plays some obbies, so I guess she knows what to do in an obby because she plays a lot of those. We also
Um,
play dressing games like Dress to Impress and other
ooh,
fashion games together. I ordered spicy chicken wings. After that, I'm gonna tell her to join.
yeah.
Ooh, my spicy wings. So good. So sweet and spicy.
Oh, and Alexia, do you have Tingulu Master? I love that game.
No. But in
Oh,
my mom's classroom, that game is on the board. So after school, me and my sister played on my mom's classroom board. There's also lots of other games.
ooh, nice. That's so
I'm
stretchy
gonna clean up
tacos.
the table.
Guys, you know that I'm eating all of your food. Alexia, can we play the
Yes.
obby now?
Okay. I'm
Okay,
gonna tell her
guys.
to join me. Wait, wait,
Okay,
wait.
stay tuned for the other obby video now.
Hold on. I told